All right, guys, good afternoon, good evening, and good night, and welcome to this first video tutorial and a quick video tutorial showing you how to add liquidity to the USWAP exchange and also how to use those LP tokens to farm and mine the UME token, the governance token of the USWAP exchange. So the uswapme.org is the address, as you can see up in the corner here. That is the official address. Now you connect automatically with your wallet. I use TronLink. You can also use your phone using Clever Wallet, TronLink Pro, and of course Tron Wallet. Now when you're in the exchange and you want to add liquidity, of course you can swap. The first pool we have is USDT TRX. So here on the swap exchange, you can actually swap between USDT and TRX. If you want to buy 10 USDT, it will cost you 786. You swap, you confirm it, and then you confirm it in your wallet. Now we're talking about adding liquidity. So we click on liquidity. We click on add liquidity. Just wipe that out. Now when we're adding liquidity, we want to enter the amount of USDT that we want to add. Let's say I want to add $200 in USDT. That will count the equal amount in Tron. So that will be 14,673.4. Now, that will give me a 0.1% share of the pool, or a little bit less than that. Now, to supply, I confirm and click on supply. I confirm it. I will see here how many TRX USDT pool tokens I will receive. I confirm the supply, accept it in the wallet. Now, I have added liquidity to the USDT TRX pool. Now, what do I do with the pool tokens that I just received? I will mine UME. So I go to ume.finance, where we can see the first pool, which is the USDT TRX LP pool. Now you can already see that people are starting to stake and add and starting to mine this token. So you want to be quick with it. Now you click on select. Now here you will see that you will click on stake. Now I actually just need to wait for the transaction to go through here. Let me do an update on the page. Click on select. Now you can see I have a minimum stake of 1,702. That is the LP tokens that I just received for $200 stake in the liquidity pool. So I click on max. I click on stake USDT. I confirm it, and the transaction is now sent. And I close. There it is. A few seconds later, I just refresh the site. And you can now click on select, and you will see that your entire amount is now in stake and you have nothing left. So that means you just put all of your LP tokens to mine UME. Now you can see I have a pending claim of 1.44. To claim this, you click on select, you go to claim, you click on claim at the bottom. Now if you want to claim and unstake your entire liquidity, you click on claim and unstake. Now of course you want to keep accumulating these UME, so you click on claim, and then of course you approve it in the wallet. Transaction is being sent, and the UME is going to be sent to your wallet. Now tomorrow we will open up the first liquidity pool for UME TRX, so that you can actually farm and mine more UME using the UME that you have been accumulating already. So guys, that is how you work with USWAP and work with UME. This was a short tutorial. There will be a lot more videos coming, and we will do soon shortly. Thank you very much, guys.